everything at stake. I thought I would take it all back. I just wanna make this thing last, but we're running out of.
So hey guys, good morning. Welcome. What's up? Started off a vlog here for you guys. So this vlog today, I am going to kind of literally just redecorate my guest bedroom, and I am just going to kind of make it fresh for the next person that is coming to my home, because the sheets they were used, so they won't wash and everything. So that is what I'm going to do in this vlog for you today. I am going to add a few little stuff. Yeah, so stay tuned for this video. If you're new, please go ahead to like, share, and subscribe. And this is gonna literally be the first video that you guys are going to get a sneak peek of what's going on inside my new apartment. So stay tuned. I'm gonna turn around the camera now. So yeah, so this is my current situation here. So everything on the bed is going to go back. Only thing, we're just going to freshen up the under sheets and the pillowcases with fresh everything. Over here our curtains are just navy blue and white, so I'm going to add a bit of gold to it. Stuff, my dresser won't clean up, over this one won't tidy up, the drawers them won't push in. Everything just dash dog, like, because it's just literally us, right? So I have this to put up. I brought on a few little stuff from Canada. That's a lot, but we're going to see how best we can fit it in here. I'm going to shine the mirror. Hopefully, I really want to change out this rug. You see, it look kind of dirty-ish. It is, but it's not fully dirty. Honestly, keep on carrying this rug has been a very hard task. Boo. So it's literally, I have to wash it and it take up dirt every minute. So I'm going to see if I can get a rug today, going up when I go to Linstead to change this out. And then over here I just have my makeup throwdown from the last time I used them. This bottle is literally empty. That's why I have this something in there that I try to dig out it so I can get out of it. But today is cleaning day, so this is, as I said before, this is what I'm going to do. And yeah, and this, all of this that you're seeing will not be the full view of, like, literally say the final review of the guest bedroom, because honestly I had these paintings from the last house, and I want to change them out, but it's just not really riding in the budget right now. So that's why I'm gonna reuse what I have. So yeah, so we're gonna redo the bed, because you can see the bed is still not properly made right now. So we're gonna fix up, nice up, sweet up, freshen up. So yeah, so stay tuned for the vlog. Like, share, and subscribe, guys. And yeah, you can see I will put white too as well, because I'm trying to give it like a nice, because people, everything white under here, everything everything is white under here, right? Sheet for like nice hotel sheets also. Yeah, I do my thing. So trying to give it a nice you know, like really guest feeling. The only thing we're missing in here is an AC. Trust me, that is what we're missing in the entire house, is a AC or a ceiling fan like what's in my living room. Yeah, so all of those in the process, because those are things that I want to do. But as I said, stay tuned for the vlog or the finished product of it. So alright guys, so yeah,
Could we run away? I know if we just hit ground, running, closing off all the world with no light coming in, bending before we break. Don't you know, you and me, we can run away. You and me, we can run away. Run away, run away.
I came to the conclusion that I'm not going to add any gold curtains because turn on the light, see if it better. Because I kind of want it to be like a very open space, even though you can see outside in the nights. If like someone is inside here, we draw the blue one. We do that in our room too as well, in our bedroom, because you know, kind of, it's the blue ones, they are privacy curtains. So yeah, so so we will kind of close them up a little bit more, so like outside, if you're passing in the night, you can't really see in here. But I was going to add by myself, nah, I don't really want to add any gold. Let me know what you think. I don't really want to add any gold because I kind of want it to have that open space, like the white, full on white. So let me know what you think. To get your input, should I show you what the gold and the white looks like in our bedroom? Let me input that part and let you guys put your opinion and tell me anything. And that if you're not gonna comment, because you guys like oftentimes don't comment. I don't know why, but let me show you and then you tell me what you think. Like I had mentioned, they're drawn in the nights and the day we open them up. So the open view, I'm going to show you that now. All right, and we have thicker curtains, a thicker white inside here. But this is how the gold and the white look. What do you think? Add the white, add the gold in, guess, or no? I don't know. As I said, I kind of want to keep the space as open as possible, so I really don't know. Okay, so I did all the mopping, the sweeping already, and the linen is dry because you guys saw when I took them off, they're dry. I took them off of the line. Yeah, and now I am going to just spread back the bed, make the bed. All right, as Mrs. Spread, I remember one time somebody come for me and say, you don't want spread bed, you make bed. I mean, this is Jamaica, we say we spread with bed. But I'm gonna make the bed now and show you guys how I set up my extra spare guest bedroom bed. All right guys, so stay tuned for the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and let's get right into it. All right,
before we break, don't you know you and me, we can run away. You and me, we can run away. Run away, run away. You and me, we can run away. someone that wasn't worth the wait. Counting down the days. I know it up.
So okay guys, I made the bed with this much detail, and the comforter is basically, but I did put it on already, and just for me to fix it properly on the bed now. So basically I'm going to show you guys when I'm through, because the handle of where the phone is, you won't be able to see it properly as I am fixing it. So as soon as I'm through fixing it, I'll show you. And this is what we have thus far. So what's next to go on now? It's the blanket, and then I'll add the pillows afterwards. And guys, this is the finished outcome of the bed. All right, this is it. It has a combination of 3, one in the middle, another 3 over there. That is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 pillows all together. All right, it has flat sheet under here. All right, so it has white fitted sheet with comforter being mostly white, and the navy coming out here. Yes, I know that this is not navy, but I still fit it in there because to me it's okay. All right, I don't know what you guys think. And we have the blanket here. So for me, I honestly don't want my guests to cover under the comforter, please. I don't like it. So you have the blanket here, blanket on the bed, and the ottoman right here that matches with the rug. Kind of a really off, right? But I wanted to change. The rug needs to go, but this rug, I think I decided to work with it for a little bit longer, but it needs to go because of the color. All right, and the color curtains, they match with the whole entire room decor, the color scheme. All right, so you see the navy and the white. I did not add the gold because I said I just want it to be an open space. So yeah. And above the bed we have 2 paintings. Honestly, I am not signing these to be the permanent paintings, painting wall art, anything you call it, that will stay in here. They're just things that I'm working with right now until I can get some nicer ones to complement the room better. All right, over here you have the bedside, the table, the side table. I just place all of my Pandora bags and whatever under there because I don't want to throw them out. And I have, you know, like a candle. This is like a pampas grass imitation, but it actually does the job, right? And a candle, nice little thing that I spray painted, and a mirror around there. So yeah. All right guys, and over to the corner we have like this nice little vase and some sticks, and then over here we have a mirror that whoever stays here, they have something to look in, right? Okay, you want to see your look when you dress up and everything, that's true. Yeah. And lastly you have the dresser. This is a decor on the dresser. All right, so you have this nice little sign that I am so addicted to. It says the reality call, so I hang up. Have this candle holder, a nice little plant in this gold tray that I purchased in Dollar Tree. This was purchased in Dollar Tree as well. So if you look on the oh, there's nothing on the back of it. Just going to show that it's just $1.25. This one, the price is not on it either. This one was $1.50. Let's see if the price is on this one. Nope. But I got this in Dollar Tree too, as I say, dream without fear. And that's the setting for the top of the dresser. It's a white dresser that, you know, I DIY'd from my previous apartment. And then and whoever is staying here, they'll have their own television for their own comfort. So yes guys, so that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like, share, comment, and tell me what you think. If you think I can improve on certain things, then let me know. Don't be afraid to comment it down in the comment section. If you want to pin some Pinterest wall art that you think would work better for this room, no problem. I'll see if I can find them around once the budget is open up to include it. All right, so bye guys, bye.